message on your machine. I just said whatever, but I'm glad to see you. Good. You never know. Hi, Sue. How are you? Come on in. Come on in. We were going to do all the creatures because it's a lot warmer.
Now, why is she's got one paw up like this? She just doesn't.
Getting ready to either move.
Oh.
See her? She wants to reach.
Almost like a little person. You see, they'll reach and see, she'll climb on your camera and.
She's beautiful.
Oh yeah.
The eyes, my goodness.
Yeah.
They can turn the eyes 160 degrees?
Yeah, just about. They can see.
And not only that, they can put one eye going this way and one eye going that way.
Do they have
It's like a picture. It's like click, 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 click with their eyes. Always look.
Don't you hate it when you go to a pet store and you see the animals?
Oh, I know.
I can't look at anything because if
Well, the problem with these types of animals is
People don't really understand.
They don't know what they don't know how to take care of. They don't know what their needs are. So it's like he's right at home. See? Here.
Now, his ears are recessed?
Yep, they're like covered so dust or dirt doesn't get into it.
I'm gonna go get those baby parrots. All right.
Okay, I'm going to put light on the camera. We'll go to the camera.
So you don't mind me?
You want Mo Giz next?
Yes. He's very, very like sociable. Nice one.
Now, will the birds will eat mostly all of these too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it doesn't bother like if you
What kind
have
of gecko is this?
Crested gecko.
Crested?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what that stuff up there?
Oh, wow.
Looks like he almost wants to be a bearded dragon.
Now, they can't rotate their eyes too much.
No, but they do not blink. They have to lick their eyes to like keep them wet.
Are you kidding me?
Yep.
Wow.
So the
That's an
tongue can reach
interesting-
the eyes?
Yeah.
Could you say that again?
They do not blink.
And they lick their eyes?
Yep, to keep them moist.
Boy, that's a rough way to do it. Glad we don't have to do that. We wear glasses. I got a little. You went back in.
Watch her.
No.
She wants to be a star.
Let me get the cat.
I can't get too close. Can we go with a window and get more light
Yeah, get
so
more
I
light.
could, so the light's coming on her this way?
She might not eat.
Well, all this commotion is.
Oh, she's looking at it. Here she goes. Get ready.
Oh my goodness.
Cool, I got that.
Table there.
Look at she wants Elizabeth to feed her.
She don't
says,
see
no
him yet.
way.
She's
Okay,
spoiled.
Spoiled, yeah.
They can go far.
Oh, here you go. Okay, ready? Here she goes. Right. Ready?
Oh, he
she
missed it.
You try it again. Try again. You got it.
Thank you.
Wow.
Perfect. Oh, that's neat.
Why don't you leave
That's
her?
perfect.
Well, I can't leave her in here because obviously the water gets cold. So.
I thought this water had to be on.
It's gotta be warm.
Pretty warm. Pretty aggressive lizard, but she was in very good care, so my dad wanted her. So she'll be about the size of this bathtub.
Is that one in the monitor?
Yeah.
One in the monitor. They get 3 feet?
Yeah.
Oh.